Imagine a liquid that can climb walls, flow forever without slowing down, and break every rule you know. It's called superfluidity. When helium is cooled near absolute zero, it becomes a superfluid. It has zero viscosity, no friction at all. Pour it into a container, and it will crawl up the sides and escape. Spin it, and it will never stop spinning. Scientists discovered superfluid helium in 1937, and it still feels like science fiction. A liquid that defies gravity, friction, and even time itself. This is superfluidity, nature's strangest state of matter.